Here on this nice evening. We are so happy to have you all here to watch our kids recite all the shlokas. They were so hard and learned. Thank you so much. And today we're going to have the 2021 summer shloka recital from Vedanta Vidyapeetham. And we are gathered in this breakout room, Lily, to listen to all the individual recital by our kids here, to show us their talent, their dedication, and all the hard work they have been through in the past few months. So thank you so much. And we are going to listen some Bhagavad Gita also after we go back to the main room. So please remember, after the recitation in this breakout room is done, just leave the breakout room and join the main room because we have something planned out there also. So please don't leave the meeting, just leave the breakout room and come back to the main room. Thank you once again on behalf of everyone at the Vedanta Vidyapeetham. Welcome to all the participants and the guests and their family and friends. Thank you so much. So we'll start the recitation from the individual kids. So first up we have Avyay. Avyay is going to start with some Pradhana shlokas for us. Okay, Avyay, please start.
Okay. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Mestada. Vishnum Jishnum Mahavishnum Prabha Vishnum Maheshwaram Aneka Rupa Daityantam Namami Purushottamam. Suklam Bharadaram Vishnum Sasivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Vadanam Jayet Sarva Vignopa Santaye. Namastestu Mahamaye Shripite Surapujite Shankar Chakragada Haste Mahalakshmi Namostute. Gangecha Yamune Chaiva Godavari Saraswati Nirmade Sindhu Kaveri Jale Asmin Sannidham Kuru. That's all I know.
Thank you so much, Avyay. That's very nice. And you did it so slowly with every word clearly out there. Thank you so much, Avyay. Next up, we have Nivi and Saran. They are going to recite for us some Pradhana shlokas. Nivi, Saran, please go ahead.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Jnananandamayam Devam Nirmala Spatikakritim Adaram Sarva Vidyanam Hayagrivam Pasmahe. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Vishnum Jishnum Mahavishnum Prabha Vishnum Maheswaram Aneka Rupa Daityantam Namami Purushottamam. Shantakaram Bhujagashyanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadaram Gaganasatasham Meghavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Virjanagamyam Vande Vishnu Bhavayaram Sarvalokaikkanatham Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Jayet Sarvavignopashantaye. Namaste Stu Mahamaye श्रीपीठे स्वपूजिते शङ्खचक्रगदाहस्ते श्रीमहालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शङ्करप्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती गङ्गे च यमुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिन्धु कावेरी जले अस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं वनमाली रदिशार्ङ्गी शङ्की चक्री च नन्दकी शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते करारविन्देन पदारविन्दं मुखारविन्दे विनिवेशयन्तं वतस्य पत्रस्य पुटे च यानं बालं मुकुन्दं मनसा स्मरामि रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने रामस्कन्दं हनुमन्तं वैनतेयं वृकोदरं शयने यस्मरे नित्यं दुःस्वप्नं तस्य नश्यति अंजनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशम् अक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम् आञ्जनेयो बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वम् अरोगताम् अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत्स्मरणात् भवेत् आञ्जनेयमतिपातलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम्.
Thank you so much, Sharan and Nivi. You two did so good. You're so melodious and you two are going so in sync. Thank you so much. So next we have Aditi, our cute Aditi. She's going to recite us some Prarthana shlokas for us. Aditi, please go ahead.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Jnananandamayam devam nirmalaspatikakritiam adaram sarva vidyana hayagriva upasmahe सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा विष्णुं शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ज्ञानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम् शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्याये सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये नमस्तेस्तु महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्रगदाहस्ते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शंकर प्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानवैराग्य सिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती गंगे च यमुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदा सिंधु कावेरी जलेऽस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं वनमाली गतिशार्ङ्गी संकी चक्री चनंदकी श्रीमान नारायणो विष्णु वासुदेव विरक्षतु रामाय रामभद्राय रामचंद्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय पतये नमः श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने रामस्कंदं हनुमन्तं वैनतेयं भृकोदरं शयनेय स्मरे नित्यं दुःस्वप्नं तस्य नश्यति बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वं हरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत्स्वर्णात् भवेत् नमस्कारम
Thank you, Aditi. Thank you so much. Your recitation is so good. I can clearly say each word apart. You're pronouncing it so good. Thank you, Aditi. Thank you so much. Next up, we have two brother and sister, Kevin and Kyle. Let's enjoy the recitation. Kevin and Kyle, please go ahead.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Saksha Parat Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Jnananandamayam Devam, Nirmala Spatikakrutam, Adaram Sarva Vidyanam, Hayagrivam Upasmahe, Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupani Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Shuklam Vishnum Jishnum Mahavishnum Prabha Vishnum Maheshwaram Aneka Rupadentyan Namami Purushottamam Shuklambaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhajam Prasannavananam Jayet Surva Vignopashantiyet Namastestu Mahamaye Shri Pite Surapujite Sankachakra Gadahas Mahalakshmi Namostute Annapurne Sadapurne Shankara Pranavallabhe Jnana Vairagya Siddhatam Bhiksham Dehi Cha Parvati Gange Cha Yamune Chaiva Godavari Saraswati Nirmade Sindhu Kaveri Jale Asmin Sannidhim Kuru Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvata Sadake Saranye Trayambuke Gauri Narayani Namostute Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsachanuramartanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagatgurum वनमाली कदीशंखी शंखी चक्री चनंदकी श्रीमान नारायणो विष्णु वासुदेवो विरक्षतु करारविंदेन पदारविंदम मुखारविंदे निवेशयन्तं वटस्य पत्रस्य पुटेशयानं बालं मुकुन्दं मनसा स्मरामि. वणक्कम.
You are talking in mute. Sujana, you are talking in mute.
Sorry. Yeah, sorry. Thank you so much, Kevin and Kyle. You two did so well and you're supporting each other. Thank you so much for that. So next up we have Shrinika. Shrinika is going to recite us some Prarthana shlokas for us about Lakshmi, Saraswati, Sri Mahavishnu, Rama and other devotional shlokas. Thank you. Shrinika, let's get started.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Jnananandamayan Devam Nirmala Patikakritim Adaram Sarva Vidyanam Hayagrivam Upasmahe. Saraswati Namastobhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhar Bhavatu Me Sada. Vishnum Jishnam Mahavishnum Prabhavishnum Maheshwaram Anekarupadaityantam Namami Purushottamam. Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishvadaram Gaganasadrisham Meghavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Vedhyanagamyam Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokaikanaatam. Suklam Bharadharam Vishnum Sasivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarvavighnopashantaye. Namastestu Mahamaye Shripiti Surapujite Sankachakra Haste Mahalakshmi Namostute. Annapurne Sadapurne Shankara Pranavallabhe Jnanavairagya Siddhyartham Viksham Dehi cha Parvati. Gange cha Yamune chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Jale asmin sannidhim kuru. Sarvamangala Mangalye Shive Sarvatashadike Sharanye Trayambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsachanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Vanamali Gadishangi Chanki Chakri Chanandaki Shriman Narayano Vishnur Vasudevo Virakshatu. Chadaravindina Padaravindam Mukaravinde Viniveshayantam Vatasya Pratasya Puteshayanam Balam Mukundam Manasa Smarami. रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय पते नमः। श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रमे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं रामनामं वरानने। रामस्कन्दं हनुमन्तं वैनतेयं वृकोदरं शयने स्मरे नित्यं दुःस्वप्नं तस्य नश्यति। अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्। बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगताम् अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत् स्मरणात् भवेत्। आञ्जनेयमदिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनम्। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम्। Thank you.
Thank you, Srinika. That was really calm and you gave us a very devotional feeling with your recitation. Thank you so much. So next up, we have Varun. Varun is going to recite us some Prarthana shlokas as well as Guru Ashtakam. Guru Ashtakam tells us about the importance of having a guru in our life. Varun, please go ahead.
I'm going to say Subhasita. Sasyakuto Vidya Avidyasyakuto Dana Adadadvasyakuto Thiryam Avidyasyakuto Sasakam Abhisheko Namaskar Samhasya Kriyatevane Vikramaditya Swayameva Narendata Esamnavedya Esaponadamam Jnanam Nasilam Naganona Dharma Temarjaloke Vibarabhuta Manusarupena Nagasaranti Nachorahayam Nachorahayam Navatu Vajana Natavadakari Temachuru Vayakativatati Yivatam Vijadanam Sarva Tanakradhanam Navalnasakarastakam Sariran Sarupam Tatava Kalatam Yesha Tatam Dayam Meratayana Shena Kararangi Vanme Tarakam 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 Kalakam Tanam Patravata Isara Pavit Griham Bandavasara Metatijata Parashena Kararangi Vanme Tarakam 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 Sarangari Veram Mukai Sastravitya Pavitvari Kacham Supacham Karoti Nachena Lakna Kararangi Padma Tarakam 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 Redi Sumayak Redi Sudamchak Narasha Vitte Sumato Nachaya Manachena Laknam Kararangi Padma Tarakam 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 Mandale Vupo Bhupala Vrindehi Sadasivitam Yasapala Rinda Manaschena Karam Kipatmi Tarakam 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 Esome Gatam Teksu दानप्रदापा जगत्वस्तु सर्वं करेय प्रसादात्मनश्चेन लक्ष्मं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे तरक्कं 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 नभोगेन योगेन वाचिराजो नकान्तसुखेन विवते सचित्तं मनश्चेन लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे तरक्कं 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 हरणेन वासस्य केन कार्येण देहेन Demi Panaski Panachina Gurangri Tadakam Tarakam 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 Kurar Astakam Yapadit Punyadehi Erevu Parev Brahmachari Chakehi Levitwashi Tartam Padam Brahma Sankhya Kurokta Vaki Manoya Sulagam Kurokta Vaki Manoya Sulagam Kurokta Vaki Manoya Sulagam. Thank you.
You're in mute.
Sorry.
You're in mute.
Oh, thank you. Thanks for letting me know. But you did so good, Varun. Thank you so much. You remembered so well and you're so flowing there. The Guru Ashtakam is just flowing. Thank you so much, Varun. Next up, we have Abhay, who is also reciting Guru Ashtakam for us. This Guru Ashtakam is actually composed by Sri Adi Shankaracharya. Abhay, please go ahead.
Namaste, my name is Abhay. Today I am going to recite the Guru Ashtakam. Sri Adi Shankaracharya Bhagavad Pada has written this wonderful Guru Ashtakam in praise of his Guru Govinda Pada and in general in praise of all Acharyas. He stresses in this octave hymn that without deep devotion to the spiritual Guru, all our attainments are meaningless. Shariram Surupam Tatava Kalatram Yashashchara Chitram Dhanam Merutulyam Manaschendalagnam Gurorangri Padme Tatakkim 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 Kalatram Dhanam Putra Pautradi Sarvam Graham Bandava Sarvametaddijatam Manaschendalagnam Gurorangri Padme Tatakkim 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 Shadangadi Veda Mukhe Shastra Vidya Kavitwadi Gadyam Supadyam Karoti Manaschendalagnam Gurorangri Padme Tatahkim 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 Videshesha Manya Sadeshesha Danya Sadachara Vrittesha Mattonuchanya Manaschendalagnam Gurorangri Padme Tatahkim 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 Shama Mandale Bhupa Bhupala Vrindaihi Sada Sevitam Yasya Padaravindam Manaschendalagnam Gurorangri Padme Tatahkim 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 Yashome Gatam Dikshudana Pratapa Jagatvastu Sarvam Kare Yat Prasadat Manaschendalagnam Gurorangri Padme Tatakkim 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 Nabhogena Yoge Vajirajo Nakanta Sukhena Eva Vitteshu Chittam Manaschendalagnam Gurorangri Padme Tatahkim 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 Aranyena Vaswasya Gehena Karye Nadehe Mano Vartate Me Tvanagye Manaschendalagnam Gurorangri Padme Tatahkim 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 Gurorashtakam Yahpati Punyadehi Yatirbhupati Brahmachari Chagehi Labhetvanchidaktam Vadam Brahma Sabnyam Guror Uktavakye Mano Yasya Lagnam Guror Uktavakye Mano Yasya Lagnam Guror Uktavakye Mano Yasya Lagnam.
Thank you, Abhay. Thank you so much for the information you gave us and also the wonderful recitation of Guru Ashtakam. Thank you so much again. So next up we have Archita. She's going to recite Vishnu Sahasranamam and also she's going to give us the wonderful opportunity to listen the meaning of some of the Vishnu Sahasranamam. Thank you, Archita. Please go ahead.
शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये तेजो वृषोद्युतिधर सर्वशस्त्रभृतांबरः प्रग्रहो निग्रहो व्यग्रो नैकशृङ्गो गदाग्रजः चतुर्मूर्तिश्चतुर्बाहुश्चतुर्व्यूहश्चतुर्गतिः चतुरात्मा चतुर्भावश्चतुर्वेदविदेकपात् समावर्तो निवृत्तात्मा दुर्जयो दुरतिक्रमः दुर्लभो दुर्गमो दुर्गो दुरावासो दुरारिः शुभांगो लोकसारंगः सुतन्तुस्तन्तुवर्धनः इन्द्रकर्मा महाकर्मा कृतकर्मा कृतागमः उद्भवः सुन्दरः सुन्दो रत्ननाभः सुलोचनः अर्को वाजसनिशृङ्गी जयन्तः सर्वविजयी सुवर्णबिन्दुरक्षोभ्य सर्ववागीश्वरेश्वरः महाहृदो महागर्तो महाभूतो महानिधिः कुमुदः कुन्दरः कुन्द पर्जन्य पवनो निलः अमृताशोऽमृतवपु सर्वज्ञ सर्वतोमुखः सुलभः सुव्रतः सिद्धः शत्रुजित् शत्रुतापनः न्यग्रोधोत्तुम्बरोऽश्वत्थः चाणूरान्ध्रनिषूदनः सहस्रार्चिः सप्तजिह्वा सप्तैधा सप्तवाहनः अमूर्तिरनघोचिन्त्यो भयकृद्भयनाशनः अनुर्बृहत्कृशस्थूलो गुणभिर्निर्गुणो महान् अधृतः स्वधृतः स्वास्य प्राग्वंशो वंशवर्धनः. Now I'm going to be presenting the meanings of like 3 verses. The first verse is Tejo Vrishodhyutidhara Sarva Shastrabhitam Varaha Pragraho Nigraho Vyagro Naika Shringo Gadagrajaha. So Tejo Vrisho is it means one who is in the form of the sun and causes rainfall at all times. One of the namas of Lord Vishnu. Dyutidhara, one whose form is always brilliant. Sarva Shastra Bhritambaraha. So Shastra means weapons or arms. So one who is superior to all bearing arms, basically, to all have weapons. Pragraha, one who accepts the offerings of devotees with great delight. Nigraha, one who controls and destroys everything. Vyagraha, so one who has no agra or end. Or it also means, one who is very attentive. So Vyagra in granting the prayers of devotees. Naika Shringa, one with 4 horns. Gadagrajaha, one who is revealed first by mantra or nigada, or one who is the elder brother of Gada. The next verse will be Chaturmurtis Chaturbahus Chaturvyuhas Chaturgatihi Chaturatma Chaturbhavas Chaturveda Videkapat. So Chatur is repeated a lot of times here. Chatur actually means 4. Chaturmurti means one with four aspects as Virat, Sutratma, Avyakrita and Turya. Or one with 4 horns with colors, that is white, red, yellow and black. Chatur Bahu. So Bahu means arms. One with 4 arms, as Vasudeva is always described. Chatur Vyuha. So one having 4 manifestations. Chatur Gati. So one who is sought at the end by the 4 orders of life and 4 varnas ordained by these scriptures. Chaturatma, one whose self is specially endowed with puissance because it is without any attachment or antagonism. So Chatur Bhava, one from whom has originated the 4 human values. So dharma, that is righteousness, and artha means like meaning, and kama is, I think, love, moksha. Chatur Vedavid, one who understands the true meaning of the 4 Vedas. So Yug, Sama, Rig, those are the part of the 4 Vedas, and that is what it means. And Ekapat, one with a single pada, part or leg, or one with a single foot or manifestation. And the third verse I'll be presenting is Samavarto nivrittatma durja yodurati kramaha durlabho durgamo durgo duravaso durariha. Samavartaha. It means one who effectively whirls the wheel of samsara, or samsara means a world. Anivrittatma, one who is not nivrita or separated from anything or anywhere, because he's all pervading. He's basically everywhere. Durjaya. So Jaya means victory, and Durjaya means one who cannot be conquered, who always wins. Durati Kramaha, one out of fear of whom even heavenly objects like the sun do not dare to oppose his command. So he controls the sun god, basically. Durlabha, one who can be attained by bhakti, which is difficult for a person to be endowed or be blessed with. Durgamaha, one whom it is difficult to attain. That's what they say. So to attain him, you need to pray with all your bhakti and from your heart. Durgaha, one the attainment of whom is rendered difficult by various obstructions or obstacles. Duravasaha, he whom the yogis with very great difficulty bring to reside in their hearts in samadhi. And Durariha, one who destroys beings like Asura. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Archita, for a beautiful explanation of few verses from the Vishnu Sahasranamam that it itself made us feel blessed. Thank you so much. So as our last performer, we have Shika with us today. She's going to recite Aditya Hrudayam. Aditya Hrudayam is dedicated to the sun god, and this is recited by sage Agastya to Rama in the battlefield before going for the war with Ravana. Shika, please go ahead.
Okay. Tato yuddha parisrantam samare chintaya sthitam ravanam chagruto drishtva yuddhaya samupastitam daivataischa samagamya drashtum abhyagato ranam upagamya abravit ramam bhagavan rishihi Rama Rama Mahave Vijayisrasin Aditya Hrudayam Punyam Sarva Shatru Vinashanam Rayavaham Jape Nityam Akshayam Paramam Shivam Sarva Mangala Mangalyam Sarva Papa Pranashanam Chinta Shoka Prashamanam Ayurvatana Upamam Sarva Mangala Rasmi Mantam Samutyantam Devasura Namaskritam Pujayasva Vivaskandam Bhaskaram Bhuvameswaram Sarvadevatmako Keshaha Tejasvi Rashmi Bhavanaha Esha Devasura Lokan Pati Gavastivihi Esha Brahma Cha Vishnuscha Vivaskanda Prajapatihi Mahendro Danadat Kalo Yamasomo Hipampatihi Pitaro Vasavasadya Hyasvino Maruto Manuhu Vayavani Prajapranaha Ritukarta Prabhakaraha Aditya Savita Surya Gagah Pusha Gabastiman Suvarna Tusho Banuhu Hiranyareta Divakaraha. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shika. Thanks for the nice recital of Aditya Hrudayam, telling us the importance of sun god. So we are now done with all the recitals from all our wonderful kids. Thank you so much. So let's all give us a round of applause for each of us, right? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for spreading that positive energy through all of us with all your recitals today. And let's thank our co-host Lavanya Garu for helping us through with all the recording and everything. Thank you, Lavanya Garu. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. Just a quick update. So now that everyone's done, we'll, in around 2 minutes, we'll close the breakout rooms and send a message to everyone. And then we can come back to the main room for some more events. But good job, everyone, and keep going.
Thank you, Sanjana. Wow, I can't believe how wonderful you kids are. And I really feel the positive energy from all that recitals, right? Thank you so much. Does anyone else want to recite their favorite shlokas now? Oh, Saran, Nivi, they're volunteering. Thank you. Go ahead.
What do you want to do? What's the song?
It's okay. Anything, Saran, Saran, your favorite one.
I forgot the beginning. It's which one? Sarvamangala. Oh, Sarvamangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Triampake Gauri Narayani Namostute.
Thank you. Nivi, you want to do one? Good. Thank you. Thank you so much. You helped your brother. Thank you.
True. You helped remember.
Anyone else want to recite any of their favorite shlokas?
Bye.
Can I say all my favorite slokas actually?
Okay.
I have
Karam Brahma Tasmai Karave Namaha.
Thank you, Nivi. Thank you. It was nice. So just to remind one more time, so once we are done with the breakout room, please don't leave the meeting, just leave the breakout room. So we'll be directed back to the main room where we have a few more programs organized there. And thank you so much for all the guests who have joined in. And I'm sure you guys have enjoyed the recitation of all these wonderful gifts. Aditi, you're leaving. Don't leave the meeting, Aditi, okay?
I'm going to the main room.
Already? Okay, sure.
How do we go to the main room? Oh, leave room.
Yeah, but we'll just wait for a couple of minutes, okay? Rama auntie or someone will let us know when to leave and go back to the main room, okay? Kevin, Kyle, you want to say something? You want to recite something?
Yeah, Kyle wants to tell the sloka.
Sure, Kyle, let's hear from her.
Guru Dhamma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maya, Guru Saksha, Paradhamma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Yana Nandamayam Devam, Nirmala Spatika Kritam, Ada Seva Vidyana, Hayagiyam Upasmaye.
Oh, do you all know Kyle is so young? She's not even 3 and she's doing so amazing. Kyle, I'm very, very proud of you, Kyle. You're so good. Now we can all leave the breakout room and join the main room there. Thank you so much for joining us with this evening. Bye. Thank you, kids.
Do we go?
Yeah, just leave the breakout room. Don't leave the meeting, okay?
Press leave.